All right, real quick, let's take a look at screen recording that's built into Windows 10. With every copy of Windows 10, Microsoft is shipping the Xbox app. Even if you're not a gamer, this app can be useful to you for its screen recording capabilities. Now, some applications or some games are automatically classified as games by Microsoft or by the Windows Store. And that means when you launch them, the Xbox app will recognize that you're playing a game and it will give you certain features like screen recording and the ability to take a screenshot. You can actually use this screen recording feature in any other application though. What you want to do is once the application is open, if you press the Windows key and then the G key, that opens up the games bar. So then you can tell the games bar that yes, this is a game. So right now I am telling it that Microsoft Edge is actually a game. And that means when I open up the game bar again, I can start a recording. So when I start that recording, you'll see this nice animation here. Once the game bar closes, I have an animation up in the top right-hand corner that tells me how long I've been recording. Now, there are a couple of limitations to this. For one, it only records through the screen bounds of the application. So if I were to minimize this app, you wouldn't see anything else on the screen. You won't see the taskbar or anything else on the screen at all. At the same time, it also does not record the cursor on the screen. All in all, though, the capture quality is very high, and you can manually set the capture quality. So let me go ahead and show you what those settings look like. I'm going to stop the recording of this here, and you can see when the recording stops, it tells you that that's finished. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. So now it's giving me the option to trim, share, rename, delete the clip. I can preview the clip right here and listen to the sound. I have volume control right there. I can also click this button, which is going to take me to the folder that houses this clip. All right, let's take a look at the recording settings. So if you open up the games bar and then click on settings, you can see there are some neat little features here. You can have it automatically record the game in the background, and you can set the length of time that it does this. Now, please note that it is going to affect your battery if you have this going on in an application where this feature is turned on. At the same time, it's also going to affect your processing power, and it's going to be eating into your storage if you have this running constantly. So there's also a maximum recording length that I can set right here. And then I can check this box to remember this as a game. So if I uncheck this, it's going to stop using these settings for Microsoft Edge. So right now, if I were to leave this, until I turn this feature off, it's going to always be recording the screen whenever I'm using Microsoft Edge. So of course, I don't really want that going on. So I'm going to go ahead and say that I do not want to remember this as a game. Let's take a look at the Xbox app to see if there are any additional features. So if we go to settings and then game DVR, you can see that you can set a shortcut manually to open the game bar, or you can manually set a shortcut to record the last 30-second interval or whatever you have that set at. You can set your own shortcut for starting and stopping the recording, for taking a screenshot, and for showing the timer on screen. And here is where you can change your quality settings. So I can have the video quality set to standard or high, the resolution set to standard or high, and then also can turn on or off the audio recording as well. All right, and that's it for screen recording using the Xbox app. Thanks for watching.